loves, welcome back to Marquis soaps. I started the soap already because I thought I hit the record button and I did not. So let's get caught up here. We dispersed or separated it into two colors. I put titanium dioxide in this big bowl here. Let's mix this up. And in this smaller bucket, I've added in black iron oxide. I already added in the fragrance oil, which is frozen margarita from Nature's Garden. So this soap, the base of it here is pretty simple. I'm going to go ahead and get it poured into the mold just like that. And then we are going to add some soap frosting on the top. Let's go ahead and get our mold and get everything poured in. I'm going to pour in about half of the white. And then I'm going to drop in all of the black, just nice and slowly. We may have too much black, but that's okay. Go ahead and scrape this bucket out, and then I am going to pour in, just drop in the rest of the white. I'm going to get this scraped out, mix up some soap frosting, and we will do some piping on top. For our frosting, we are just going to start by scooping it on. So we are not going to pipe this today. Welcome back to Marquis soap. So we are here to cut into this soap. In full disclosure, I made this soap about 3 weeks ago and I forgot to cut it. So the release date is now in March. So here is the inside. And then I have these little melt and pour soaps that we're just gonna kind of stick on somewhere. That's cute. And that's what they look like. So I have a couple different designs. We have that. We have this one. And there. So I thank you all so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed today's soap, and we will see you next time.